Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. First up, we're going to make a cocktail. This is called a Flamingo Cocktail. So I have my cocktail shaker, a little bit of ice, and it calls for a ½ ounce of apricot brandy, 1 1/4 ounce of dry gin, the juice from a half a lime, and a teaspoon of Grenadine. Give that a shake. Strain that into a martini glass. And I got a nice lime wedge as a garnish. And that's a Flamingo Cocktail. Coming up next, we got Appies with Chappy by the lake. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today I have some fried chicken dumplings, and to go with our appetizer we need a beverage, so I am going to make a comfortably fuzzy screw. I'm getting that from my bartender's guide. So I just got a glass, a little bit of ice, and a comfortable fuzzy screw. So we need 1 1/2 ounce of vodka, one 1/2 ounce of Southern Comfort, and 1 1/2 ounce of peach schnapps, and finish with orange juice. I have some freshly squeezed orange juice, and I got some nice maraschino cherries as a garnish. And that's a comfortably fuzzy screw to go with my fried chicken dumplings. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.